Corsair have been a leader when it comes to the all-important RGB, offering a premium option with arguably the best software integration, even having the ability to sync lighting with games. The competition have been catching up though, so now they've taken things one step further and simplified the whole build process with their iCUE Link smart components ecosystem. It makes the build process far simpler for novice and experienced builders alike, not to mention dramatically reducing the number of complicated wires and connectors, making for far neater cable management. Take a look here at the wires and complicated routing system you'd have had previously. And now how iCUE Link makes the process far neater and simpler. And as if there wasn't already enough reasons as to why you'd love Corsair's iCUE Link, it'll also automatically detect, configure and synchronize your PC fans, CPU coolers and other internal components for easy control and customization. At the heart of this revolutionary ecosystem is this. This is the iCUE Link System Hub. Using just a single cable, you connect this hub to a device and then simply link each device to the next. One System Hub will allow you to synchronize and control up to 14 iCUE Link devices, and it'll fit almost anywhere in your case, attaching magnetically to the PC frame. But now let's take a look at just some of the awesome products available. The iCUE Link range includes fans, all-in-one coolers and Hydro X series custom cooling, with more new products rolling out over the coming months, allowing you to easily build your perfect PC. I've got one of the iCUE Link QX120 RGB fans here in the studio, as well as the QX120 starter kit with 3 fans. You can also get QX140 fan versions. And you simply chain these fans together using the included bridge connectors, making it super simple. They feature 34 RGB LEDs spread across 2 distinct light zones on either side, which you can customize using iCUE Link. We also have the Corsair iCUE Link H100i RGB 240mm all-in-one CPU cooler, which helps your processor reach its full potential, complete with stunning lighting and hidden wiring for a flawless look. It has those QX RGB fans which deliver speeds up to 2,400 RPM, and with pre-applied premium XTM70 thermal paste, a split flow copper cold plate and a 240mm radiator, you get maximum cooling performance. And you can also get the iCUE Link cable kit, which includes cables in various lengths and sizes, so you have complete control over how you link your components. And as you'd expect, we have the full iCUE Link range available now over on our website, scan.co.uk, including the products that you've seen today in this video and many others, so check those out on the link below.